Okay, Storm Door Guy here, and today we're going to talk again about the importance of choosing the right color door depending on the way your door opening faces. So this is a brown door on an opening that faces due west. There's not a lot of roof cover, it gets a lot of heat. This is an Andersen 3 or 4000 series door, and as you can tell, the heat buildup between the two doors has actually melted and warped the frame that the window track slides in. You can see all that. This is specifically due to high temperatures created between the two doors. This is why I always say it's important to make sure you know which direction your door is facing and get the lightest color possible if it's exposed to the sun. See, there should be a plastic piece here to cover the top of this glass. This is a sharp edge, and because of the heat buildup, it's actually melted off. So this is kind of a side view of the window frame. Again, this is due to heat buildup between the doors. So if you have a doorway that's facing south or due west and you don't have a lot of roof cover, I would highly suggest getting the lightest color door possible. Also get the lightest colored door handle like the silver one here. If you get a black handle, you have a burning hazard. Another helpful tip from Storm Door Guy, subscribe to the channel or follow us on our website, stormdoorguy.com.